Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it seems that Microsoft is going to approve the first Intel Copilot+PCs in November. So what's happening is that Intel is going to have its new Intel Core 200V, and that is, of course, a new generation of Intel CPUs that contain NPUs, neural processing units, and that this series will come out in September, on 24th of September, and that in November Microsoft is going to add this new series to the Copilot+PC naming or branding, if you want, which is the same as the Qualcomm PCs right now, and that it should be getting, of course, the famous new features of Copilot+PCs, which includes recall. So this is going to be interesting to check out. This is going to be the first X64 based Copilot+PCs, and of course we're waiting for the same on AMD side. It's not 100% clear exactly how Microsoft operates to select CPU and NPU that is Copilot+PC compatible, but at least we know now that November is when we're going to have X64 capabilities for that. It is to note, and Microsoft did say it again with this announcement, that anybody buying a PC right now that has an NPU is probably not getting Copilot+PC or recall features. It will come only to the ones that are approved to be so in the future. So if you're buying a PC or thinking of buying a PC, but you're not really, thinking about it, you can wait. Maybe you should wait for a PC that will have an approved CPU NPU for Copilot+PC for the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.